In this lesson toda kuita position vectors. Asi tisati taita position vectors, toda kutanga a quick revision of what we have learned in vectors so far. So tava in NGM book 4, it's chapter 18, the topic is vectors 2. We are continuing with clustered topic 20, vectors. Saka chatinoda kutanga kutarisa panapa is the naming of vectors. So we are looking at naming vectors. Zvataka discuss so far, takati if we have a vector, for example, this is the vector we have pointed in that direction, the length of the vector is corresponding to, kana kuti indicating the size or magnitude of that vector. This vector is A, like that. Saka tinogona kunyora vector iri ratadrowa panapa as a simple letter, kana kuti tinogona kunyora A yacho takaisa ka arrow pamusoro. Saka ka arrow ako kari kutiudza kuti we are talking about a vector. Then tinogona futi kunyora this A but iri in bold letters, kureva kuti inenge yakaita seyakatsikirirwa kudai so. Or lastly, tinogona kunyora that vector A, tonyora A swandi rataisa tuma dots pazasi, like this. Saka tisataenda kure ndakukuudzai kuti maforms anowanzo kushandiswa, it is this one and also this one. But ish this form yekungonyora A ne this form yekunyora A in bold letters is basically the same. Saka aya ndo maforms anowanzo kushandiswa. The last one inoi haiwanzo kushandiswa, especially when we are talking about SIMSEC. So tiri panhau idzi manje, what you should also understand is, instead of naming the vector like this, we can be interested with looking at the starting point of a vector and the end point. Tirikuona tese kuti our vector is pointing in the northeast direction. Saka vector redu rikutangira kuno uku richigumira uku by virtue of this arrow. So let us say kuti kwariri kutangira kunonzi A, like this. Kwariri kunoperera kunonzi ku B, like that. Saka tirikubva pa A tichienda pa B through this magnitude in that direction. So instead of kuti this is vector A, tinogona kuti it's vector A, B, like that. Kana kuti tinonyora A, B yacho, toisa an arrow pamusoro panapa, like that. Kana kuti A, B inonyorwa yakaita seyakahighlightwa so, in bold letters. Or lastly, A, B, toisa madots pazasi panapa. And again, notations anowanzo kushandiswa, especially by SIMSEC, it's this one and that one. So kana tadai so, we have discussed the naming of vectors. Tichiri ipapo, we should know that we have that vector and ratadrowapo, it can be represented on a Cartesian plane. So if we say we have a Cartesian plane kunoku, like this is our y-axis and this is the x-line, like that. Then we have this vector rakadai so, it's still vector A, like this. It's represented on a Cartesian plane. Saka we can say it's vector A like that, kana kuti we are interested with the beginning and the end. So it's AB, like that. We can represent that vector as what is called a column vector. Asi vamwe vanoti it's a column matrix. So talking of topics which borrow from each other. Takabva kuita indices and logarithms. Tikaratidza sungawirirano iri between indices and logarithms. We actually clustered both indices and logarithms under one topic. Zvatakuita panapa, we of course cannot cluster vectors and matrices under one topic because inozokurisa. And kunyangwe zvine kakudyidzana, but they are entirely different disciplines or fields. Saka we are going to be studying them differently, but there is a close relationship between vectors and matrices. Saka tinogona kurepresenta a vector as a column vector or as a column matrix. Pakadai so manje tinenge takuita sei? Tinenge takuti AB or A like that iri equal to chi. Saka this vector AB, which can also be called A, what is it equal to? Saka, going back to coordinate geometry, where we were introduced to the Cartesian plane or the XY plane, we were told kuti kana tichida kukota, and if we want to quote a point, we look at both the X value and the Y value, like that. Saka panapa, let us say the X value is going to be X1 and the Y value is going to be Y1. So zviri kurova ndezvekuti panapa kuna X, pana X1, kunoku kuna Y1. And it then if we do the same panapa, let us say this point it's X2, Y2, kureva kuti kuna X kunoku kunge kuina X2, then kuna Y uko kuna Y2, like that. That is the situation we have. Saka, when we are talking about a column vector, we are basically saying, in that case, AB is going to be equal to, saka mundati AB or A, because we can call this vector A, that small letter, or just AB. But for the sake of kunyora panapa, we can as well just ignore this part and just call it A. So vector AB rather is equal to this point B irapwe, which is what? X2, Y2. Toenyora yakadai so in matrix form. Saka tati column matrix. Subtracting the point iri panapa, which is what? X1, Y1. Then using correspondence or matrix arithmetic, we know that AB will be equal to what? X2 minus X1, then Y2 minus Y1, like that. But isusu patanga tichinyora earlier on, tanga tingoinyora as a numerical value. Kureva kuti tanga tingoti A is equal to, for example, 41. Saka zvataita panapa, it's helpful. You are going to see its application pretty soon. What else we want to make you remember or bring to your remembrance is the issue of direction. And for a vector, direction is very important. Mind you, in our science, combined science classes, we are going to do the topic vectors. We are going to expound more on the topic, introducing vectors and scalars, their differences, how they are similar to each other, doing vector calculations, which are not necessarily part of mathematics. Saka this topic vectors, in a two faces, it's a coin with two faces. Tine heads, tine tails. So tails will be the mathematics. So but there is a heads which is in science, in physics, which is not so much different, but we are going to introduce more emphasis on the issue of direction. So, zvandakuda kutaura panapa zviri of material importance. Saka kana dzeve dzichitomiswa kuti dzinyatsokutereresai. Chikati AB like this, zvakasiyana nekuti BA. Ndochekutanga. Kuti AB chiri kuti tiri kubva pana A chichienda kuna B. Ndozvinoreva kuti AB. So the order, the appearance of letters when we are talking about naming vectors, it's important because it points us to the direction of the vector. Whereas kana tichiti BA like that, tinogona kuinyora takadai so, kuti tiri kubva pana B and tichienda kuna A like this, or BA togona kuinyora takadai so, kuti again tiri kubva kuna B tichienda kuna A like this. Saka zvataita apo, tikatora AB na BA, you are going to notice kuti AB and BA in the context of having a singular vector like this. This is the vector we have. It's vector AB. You are also going to see kuti AB in terms of magnitude, whatever size ya AB kana iri equal to size ya BA, this means therefore AB kana kuti actually BA is equal to minus AB. What does this mean? This simply refers us to what? To the concept of reversing direction. Saka AB na BA zvine the same size because the lengths of these lines are equal. Kunyangwa chita senga siri panapa. Take them to be equal. The lengths which correspond to magnitude are equal. Chasiyana I direction. Saka reverse direction, kungo reverse the lettering AB nekuti BA. So the reason yandiri kutaurira izvi ndeyekuti ndokuda kuti muone the importance kutanga yekushandisa this over kushandisa ngoti A. Because kuti AB kuri kutotudza kuti our starting point ndi A, our end point ndi B. Asi tikangoti vector ndi A, we don't have such information in that rendering. So this is what I wanted you to learn. Now on our revision, what we are going to be looking at next is magnitude. So magnitude, it's also size. Saka, I want to start with the question. I want you to explain in your own words. Saka ndoda kuti munyore ma comments. I want you to explain in your own words how the Pythagoras theorem is used to find the magnitude of a vector. Satakazvitsanangura in our early lessons, ndoda kuona kuti makazvibata here. Saka ndisi kuzodzokorodza panapa. Ndoda kunzwa explanations enyu. Ende kana tichiti in your own words, hatisi kureva muchirungu. Shandisai shona kutsanangura kuti munonzwisisa here kuti Pythagoras theorem inoshandiswa sei uye inoshandiswa papi kuti tiwane the size, the magnitude of a vector. Kana musinonyatsopanzwisisa, it's also a chance to attempt this question. Then I can derive kuti my students did not understand this upper and upper. Maybe I can explain it more in a way you will understand. But looking at this, we have a vector and we are dealing with AB. The magnitude of AB, we know that it's equal to, we have this, and tinenge chiti x squared plus y squared. Saka from what we learned, which we are going to improve on really quick and very soon, we learned kuti if we are given kuti AB, for example, it's equal to x, not x, let me not use one x, let me use real numbers, 2, 3. Izvi zvongoreva kuti the magnitude of AB is going to be equal to 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is what? The square root of 2 squared in the 4 plus and 3 squared in the 9. Don't make the mistake of 3 squared in the 6. It's a very common mistake. From here, what is 9 plus 4? 10, 11, 12, 13. So the square root of 13 will be the magnitude or the size. Vamwe vanofarirawo kuti units panapa, but leave it like that. Don't bother. So that is how we find the magnitude. That is how we find the size. And I explained that this modulus and the magnitude or size of AB is represented by the length of the line segment AB, which is written as the modulus of AB. So zvatanga tisina kutsanangura in our previous class ndezvekuti tumatanda utu of what AB ubva wafara kudai unodana sei izvi? Unotodana uchiti the modulus of AB. Ende kuti modulus kurungoreva kuti take the positive value. Take the positive value. In other words, tiri kuti we cannot have a negative size. Usangana nemunhu unopfeka size ane boots otondopfeka -10. It's impossible. We cannot have a negative size in terms of length. Munhu akapfupika sei haambofa akava a negative length. We cannot have a negative size. So that is the argument behind this. So tinogona kudana izvi tichiti magnitude of AB. We are allowed kungodana chitoti magnitude of AB, or tinogona kudana chitichi the modulus of AB. If we want to be fancy, wasvika pane vanhu vari kudiscussa maths, then of what the modulus of AB. It's a little fancy. So we have discussed the modulus. Remember your task. You have to explain how we used the Pythagoras theorem to get there in the comments. Scalar multiplication. Saka in our revision, we now want to look at scalar multiplication. Kana kuti scalar. Kushona hatina euka, tina r. Kushona kuna eu, hakuna eu, kuna r. Ndosaka Lloyd, vakuru vachiti roid, something like that. So tiri kutaura pamusoro pescalar multiplication. So in scalar multiplication, we explained a lot of things, beginning with issues like this, but there is something we did not explain. And before I go to this scalar multiplication, there is also something I should explain when it comes to this issue of magnitude. Hakuna hako question ino yakadai, so it's too simple even for you. But imagine, poya question yakadai. So once this is vector A, poya question yakadai, so once this is vector B. So once A, poiswa ka asterisk once B. Kobva kwanzi replace aka na greater than or less than. You should know forthwith kuti A is going to be greater than B. Even tisina ma numbers atapiwa. The argument yatiri kushandisa ndeyekuti the vector line ya A, it's longer than the vector line of B. So when we say the length of the vector line corresponds with the magnitude, we are telling you kuti nekutongoona that line, you should make deductions. Kuti this vector is longer than this one. But answer ndata kuna question yakadaro. And vanhu kuti even if you are drawing vector lines yourselves, kunyangwe musingatarisirwe kuzvibuditsa zvakanyatsoku kuringana, but you should show an appreciation of this knowledge. Ngatiti taudzwa kuti A is equal to 3 4 and ndokuudzwa kuti B iri equal to 1 2. Kana tikada kubatanidza mafactors aya tichimadrowa and tichaona kuti tikadrowa A yakadai so, B wedu haangazodrowiwi akadai so, because apa tiri kusuggesta kuti B muhombe in magnitude to A, which is not the case. Saka tinofanira kungomeka sure kuti line raB idiki kune line raA, kungoratidza technicality yekuti we understand what is happening. But hazvina mamarks, hazvina chii, kangori kaquality kaunofanirwa kuva nako. You see, handwriting haina mamarks, but ikanaka ikavaraidza muverengi kana kuti mumaki, it makes life easier. Dzimwe nguva anogona kutemtewa kungokupa mamarks because handwriting yako, it's appetizing, you see. Saka that was just a technicality I wanted to discuss with you. But let us look at the scalar or scalar multiplication. If a vector AB is multiplied by a scalar k, where k is any number, the result is a vector k times as big as AB. So I do not recall explaining to you what really happens here, but I demonstrated. The demonstrator kuti tikati, for example, and we have AB being equal to 4 1. Kana tichida a vector which is 3 times bigger than AB, kureva kuti 3AB, this is going to be equal to 3 multiplying the value of AB for 1, which is equal to 3 ichapinda mukati mevector ichimultiply every number irimo, giving us score of 3 like this. Don't know where it boy. You see, it's beautiful. And so we have done this. Remember, we spoke about the issue of directions in our previous lesson, but that this is A, same magnitude, this is B, tikati B is equal to minus A, tikati if we are having A is equal to 2 3, then B should be equal to minus 2 minus 3. Tikati temaina kuti tinozviita tinoreversa direction firstly nekutopinda mukati mevector toita matwitch atinoita, oro nekumultiply this value of A oro and B equal to minus A, zvoreva kuti B equal to minus multiplying on the value of A, which is 2 3, which then drives us to minus 1 multiplying 2 and minus 1 multiplying 3. Take note handisi kuti over ndokuti end, giving us minus 2 minus 3 like that. So we did it. Saka panapa I want you to take note kuti 3 unoyu, this is a positive and a positive scalar. Then minus unoushu anogona kuva minus any number, by the way, but panapa tikushandisa minus 1, it's a negative scalar. Then chatanga tisina kudiscussa in our earlier lesson is a fractional scalar. Saka fractional scalar tinoiwana sei? Look at this. We have A, and then saka line iri rikutiudza the magnitude, the size of A. Then we have another line like this, which is exactly half. Ndoziva hangu kuti line rangu harina kuzoita half, ngatidai so, yeah. And this line is B, like that. Saka kana takadaro manje tinenge tichiti B iri equal to the half of A. As you can see hapo kuti B I half ya A, so B is equal to the half of A. Apaona? Saka ino I half iyi inenge iri chi? It's a positive fractional scalar. But tikava the same situation, a b half like this, but yakatarisa in the opposite direction like that. You are going to see kuti b now is equal to minus half of a. Saka minus inoi minus rega ndiinyore in a yellow color minus. Kana tiri kumavectors inoshanda ichireva the opposite direction. Izvi zvinozowanzokubuda, zvinonyanyobuda kuphysics, but you are going to see kuti minus inenge ichireva kuti opposite direction of, because kana tiina a ari kuenda uku then b kauya ichiinda kuopposite side, taona kuti panapa pane karelationship kanonzi minus. So the negative ishandisei nenzira yamunongoziva, but apa takutaura the philosophical meaning kuti kana tichiti minus tiri kumavectors tiri kureva opposite direction. So musandirangaridza, I know this. When we are going to do physics dzemavectors, we are going to explain this more deeply. Panapa, it's more like an appetizer than anything. So in our revision, let us now look at the addition and subtraction. So by addition and subtraction, vectors may be added and subtracted. Panapa, we should remember vanoiti the matrix arithmetic. Tichaita mamatrix, we are going to see kuti zviri kufamba sei. Inini ndinongoti this is what I refer to as correspondency. It's just correspondency. Correspondency zvichireva kudi kuenderana. Muchazvoona kuti zvinhu zvofa kungomecheswa zvinhu zvofa kungomecha chete. Saka panapa we are going to explain this using examples. We have p being equal to minus 90 and we have q being equal to 6 minus 2. That is what we have. Saka kana tikati p plus q, this is equal to, what is the value of p? That's minus 90 plus what is the value of q? That is 6 minus 2. Like that. And then tadaro manch, what is going to happen? P plus q is equal to minus 90 plus 6 minus 2. This is equal to, zviri pamusoro zvinoedhana, minus 9 plus 6, zviri pasasi zvoedhana, 0 plus minus 2. Zvinyorei zvakadai so, kuitira kuti musaconfuse pamaletters apa. So this is equal to what? This is equal to minus 9 plus 6 ndiani 6 7 8 9, saka ndi minus 3, but panapa tina 0 plus minus 2, plus na minus vikasangana zvinoita minus, saka inova 0 minus 2 panapa, which just gives us chi minus 3 minus 2, like that. Ende ndoda kukupai as a task, answer yenyu inogona kumira panapa, but ndoda kukupai as a task. Munokomenda futi muma comments kuti minus 3 minus 2 haina kufanana here nekuti minus 3 2. Mubvunzo, hazvina kufanana here? Kana zvakafanana, tell me your reasons. Kana zvisina kufanana, tell me your reasons. But my answer iri kuti zvakafanana, so prove to me kuti nemhaka yei ndiri kuti zvakafanana. Ende kana zvakafanana, can you see kuti kunyange hedu tisingaiti factorization, asi kana tiri kumavectors, pane kamutambo kakada kufanana nefactorization kanogona kuitika. Tinogona kufactor out, apo tinge tisinge tafactor out tabuditsa minus. So ponder that. So that is going to be the value of p plus q. what is going to be the value of p minus q? Like this. Saka apo it's going to be minus 9, 0, and subtracting 6 minus 2. This is going to be equal to what? Minus 9 minus 6 zviri pamusoro zvasubtracta 0 minus 2. Minus yekutanga iminus iri pakati pemavectors, then minus iyi ndeiyo minus yakaita chinami naminus 2. So this is going to be equal to minus 9 minus 6, that is going to be minus 15. We just add and take the common sign, remember. Then minus na minus kasangana inoita plus, so inoita 0 plus 2 apo, kureva kuti we have minus 15 too. Like that. Dakukupai futi kamwe katask kandoda kuti mundikomendere muma comments. Task yangu ndeyekuti andapo calculator p minus q, ndiri kuda kuti mundicalculaterewo q minus p and tell if p minus q is equal to q minus p. So ndoda kuti taita p minus q isusu ndoda kuti muite q minus p. Mondiudza kuti zvakafanana here kuti p minus q nekuti q minus p. So your answer should tell you. Answer yenyu ichabuda here iri minus 15 too. That will be the question. So after having done that, you comment in the comments and we see where we go from there. Okay, we are going to take on a practice question panapa, which is basically going to seal off our lesson. So basically, this is a revision of vectors. Then in our next lesson, we are going to do position vectors. So for this question, there's a concept yataratidza yedu, but we did not entertain it so much. Nepamusana pekuti it's immaterial to the SIMSEC syllabus. The relationship, the interconnectedness between my vectors and the Cartesian plane. Saka we have a question there in case SIMSEC decides who could test along those lines. But believe you me, it's a rarity. It does not happen frequently or so much kuti munotestewa along those lines. So that question is in Fig 18.2 below, A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, E are vectors as shown. Express each vector in the form A, B. Saka, that is the form A na B. Kureva kuti we have to look at these vectors. Ngatitange na A, B. Like that. So A, B, this is going to take us to position vectors. But in this example, andisikuda kushandisa my position vectors per se, because I want to teach them in the next lesson. Saka zvirikuitika panapa ndezvekuti, in order for us to be able to do this, we have to know the coordinates of A and B. Saka tikauya panapa, pana A panapa, tikuona kuti the x value ndiani ndi1 and the y value ndi2. Tikauya pana B panapa, tirikuona kuti the x value ndi4 and the y value ndi1. Ngatingopedzisa, tikauya pana C panapa, tirikuona kuti the x value ndi6, the y value ndi2. Tikauya pana D panapa, tirikuona kuti the x value ndi5, the y value ndi6. Tikauya pana E panapa, tirikuona kuti the x value ndi1, the y value ndi4. Like that. Saka kuti tizive kuti A, B ari kufamba sei kuno, tiri kuona kuti order iri kutotiudza chero pasina arrow. The reason yatiri kuti A, B, we can see automatically kuti tiri kubva pana A chichienda kuna B. Saka that is what A, B. Saka we go kuna B kunoku, then it's 4, 1. like that. Mapaona. Then kuna A uko, it's going to be chitwa that minus panapa. 1, 2. Like this. Saka, ish 4, 1, it's actually, yatingati, it's the end. But, ish 1, 2, ndio the start. Satungo to the end minus the start. It's logical, and so when we do those calculations, what are we going to get? So this is going to be equal to what? It's 4 minus 1, 1 minus 2. This is equal to 4 minus 1, the 3, and 1 minus 2, the minus 1. Like this. Inonsipepepe kana tadaiso. So this is AB. What about BC? BC tinowa nani tikada kuiweka. So for BC, it's equal to, tinotora ma coordinates ari kuna C kwekupedzisira 6 2, subtracting ari kuna B kwekutanga 4 1. So this is equal to 6 minus 4, 2 minus 1, which is what? 6 minus 4 ndiani? Ndi 2. 2 minus 1 ndiani? Ndi 1. Kureva kuti our answer here is going to be 2 1, like that. Okay. Then what is going to be what comes next? CD. Saka CD ingeri equal to ma coordinates ekupedzisira 5 6, subtracting ma coordinates ekwekutanga 6 2. So this is equal to 5 minus 6, 6 minus 2. 5 minus 6 ndi minus 1. 6 minus 24. Like that. Then lastly, takuda kutsvaga DE. So DE equal to ma coordinates ekwekutanga, ma coordinates ekwekupedzisira 1 4, subtracting ma coordinates ekwekutanga 5 6. So this is equal to 1 minus 5, 4 minus 6, which is what? Minus 4. 1 minus 5 ndi minus 4, and 4 minus 6 ndi minus 2. Tinogona kungenyora yakadaro. Kunyangwe iyo uchigona kuzonzi minus ari kunze 4 2. But let us end it there. So for the sake of our question, let us just write down AB ndiani, BC ndiani, CD ndiani, DE ndiani. So AB, it's equal to 3 minus 1. Then BC, it equal to 2 1. Then CD, it equal to minus 1 4. And lastly, but not least of course, DE, it equal to minus 4 minus 2. Like that. Now let us now go to the next question. We have done A, and I should express each vector in the form A, B. We have done that. Then B, it would find DE. So this is A. B, it would target DE, the magnitude modulus of DE. So the modulus of DE is equal to, we know that we find it by finding the square root of what? The square root of x squared plus y squared. So this is actually equal to, what is the value of x? X ndi minus 4, so it's minus 4 squared panapa, plus the value of y, minus 2 squared. So this is equal to what? Minus 4 squared, 16, plus minus 2 squared, ndi 4. Kureva kuti our answer is the square root of 20. That is the modulus magnitude size of DE. Then when we go to part C, iri kuti to show that DE is equal to minus 2 BC. So we need to show that DE is equal to minus 2 BC. So what is DE apo. Then we are looking at C and saka DE is equal to, then kaskala kedu toka representa na K. Mashona. So DE is equal to K BC. And so what is the value of DE? Tikatarisa kumusoro kuno tinoona kuti DE ndi -4 -2. Saka panapa we have -4 -2 is equal to K. And what is the value of BC? BC tikuona kuti ndi 2 1. Saka pandeni 2 1. So basically zviri kuitika apo ndezvekuti we have to prove that the value of K should be -2. Satogona kuya panapa toti when K is equal to -2, -4 -2 is equal to -2 to 1. That is true. Pamusana pekuti -2 times 2 ndi -4, -2 times 1 ndi -2. Saka natadai, so this is proven. Ndozvingoripo. DE is equal to -4 -2 and K inoi is the scalar that which should multiply BC to find DE. But we see kuti -2 should be the value which multiplies BC to get to DE. So that is why we have done it in that way. So kana tadai, so tinenge tatopedza tatoita C. What about D? D iri kuti express BC plus CD as a single column vector. Saka iri kuti BC plus CD. What is BC? So BC taitsvaga kumusoro kunoku. Taona kuti ndi 2 1 and CD taona kuti ndi -1 4. Saka we are just going to do simple replacement kana substitution. The value of BC tati ndiani ndi 2 1 and plus the value of CD ndi -1 4. So this is going to be equal to 2 plus -1 sezvazviri 1 plus 4. So this is equal to 2 plus na minus ukasangana zvinoita minus. So 2 minus 1, then 1 plus 4 ndi 5. So this is rather equal to 2 minus 1 ndi 1 apo 5. Pepepe. Saka 2 yedu kana kuti D yedu tatoona kuti inobuda iri 1 5. Tikaenda kune question ekupedzisira iri kuti express BC minus CD as a single vector. And that question is actually E. Saka pa E pari kuti chi BC minus CD. This is equal to chi. What is the value of BC? 2 1 minus the value of CD minus 1 4. So this is equal to what? 2 minus -1 and 1 minus 4. So it's equal to 2 minus -1, that's 2 plus 1, and 1 minus 4, that's -3. Saka we get 3 minus 3 up. That is going to be our answer. So we have completed our practice question. Stay tuned for the exercise which I want you to do. That is the exercise I want you to do. NGM4 page 151, exercise 18A revision. Roda kuti muite number 2, A and D, muita number 3, muita number 9. Thank you and take care.